You searched how to buy shares of Structure Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biotech developing GPCR targeted therapies. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GPCR, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. On eToro, use the platform search field and type the ticker GPCR to find the listing. Select the matching Structure Therapeutics Inc. result to open the official stock page. The stock page displays basic company information and a price chart so you can review recent movements. Confirm the company name and the GPCR ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next open. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle reminder, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account or learn more.